What's up, guys? It's Miles here today, and today or this evening I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my new bike that I've never shown you guys before. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, first we'll start from the top and then start from the top, then we'll work our way down. So first we have a Mongoose, we got Mongoose bar ends, Mongoose grips. I got a Mongoose 8.5 rise handlebar, a Mongoose front load stem, and of course I'm running back brakes, but I got a gyro headset, easy for me to do bar spins. I got Mongoose forks. They're really wide and they've been holding up for like a month now since I've had the bike. But yeah, now moving on down to the tires. I know that I guys told you that I was going to be building up this bike, and I finally got new parts for it. About time. I got these Eastern Throttle 2.40 inch tires, 60 psi. They're big. I really like them. They really help out with my jumps that I do, you know, since I do really big jumps, like off of, like, you know, loading docks and stuff. Yeah. Oh, for my frame, I've got a, I'm trying to think, 2016 Mongoose frame. It's got a 20.5 head tube. I really like it. It's a little bit heavier than my Hyper frame, but you know, it holds up really well. And I got a Mongoose 25 tooth sprocket. I've got loose ball bottom brackets on this. I got Mongoose cranks, Mongoose pedals. And I got two Mongoose rims on here. The back for my rear hub, 9-tooth casket hub. And of course I got two tennis balls in my bike just to, you know, help out the spokes and, you know, for looks and stuff. But alright guys, yeah, thank you for watching my 2017 bike check, and there will be some more videos coming on soon. So, oh, wait a minute, hold on. And I got a Mongoose seat and Mongoose seat post. I mean, guys, tell me what you guys think about this bike in the comments. You know, I mean, see, I'm gonna be getting, I got pedals coming on the way, so I'm gonna be switching out my cranks to 3-piece. But I'm also gonna get a 9.5 rise 4-piece handlebar if I can find one online, easy, like for easy money and stuff. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this 2017 bike check. And further around next days, further out around the month and stuff, around the year, you'll be seeing more BMX videos from me. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and have a nice evening. Peace out.